Good afternoon from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Thursday, October 3rd, 2013. We'll be entering a period of weather over the next 2 to 3 days across the region as a slow-moving frontal system south of the state of Michigan this afternoon lifts northward into the region tonight and Friday and pretty much stalls out until we get to the day on Saturday. And combined with a fairly strong storm system coming out of the Rocky Mountain states, will set the stage for periods of showers and thunderstorms across the region right on through the day on Sunday. Our main threat from a hazard weather perspective is going to be the threat for some thunderstorm activity, possibly beginning late this afternoon or early this evening. We could see a few lightning strikes across northern lower Michigan, but there's a better threat for some thunderstorm activity tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night, and once again as we head into later Saturday and Saturday night as a cold front sweeps in from the west. Here's a look at the current weather map. We see our frontal boundary extending from the lower Great Lakes back into the upper Midwest, and then extending back across parts of Nebraska and Kansas and into the central Rocky Mountains. That boundary will be lifting slowly to the north across Wisconsin and lower Michigan as we head over the next 48 hours. And that will serve as a focus for some shower and thunderstorm activity right on through the day on Saturday. And then we'll see a cold front move in from the west Saturday night. And that will bring in a little better chance for some more widespread shower and thunderstorm activity Saturday night. And then behind that, we'll see some cooler weather move in for Sunday, but also the continued threat for some cloud and shower development. Here's a look at the 3-day precipitation forecast. This runs through Sunday morning. And we see a good bit of rainfall is expected across the upper Midwest and extending eastward into the upper peninsula of Michigan and far northern lower Michigan, where they're expecting more than 1.5 inches of rain total through Sunday morning. We see rain amounts do drop off a little bit as we get into northern lower Michigan, but it does look like many areas over the 3-day period we'll probably see over 1 inch of rain in total. So a nice area rainfall will be coming to the region. That's pretty much needed. It's been fairly dry over the region over the past couple of weeks or so. So again, from a hazards perspective, the main threat will be some thunderstorm activity. Again, maybe a few isolated storms late this afternoon, a better chance Friday afternoon and Friday night, and then another chance coming in with the cold front coming in for Saturday, late Saturday afternoon, and more so on Saturday night. Severe storms are not expected at this time. There appears to be a greater threat for severe weather across the upper Midwest during the day on Friday. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thank you for listening in. The next update is expected around 5 a.m. Friday morning.